Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It is super dramatic and I am loving it. It is totally giving me Grinch vibes, which holiday videos are coming. I'm not doing Kristen's Christmas this year just because life is too hectic right now, but I want to do like a lot of holiday looks on my channel. So this one is the first one, totally Grinch vibes. The Grinch is one of my favorite Christmas movies, along with Elf and Eloise and the Santa Claus and a bunch of other movies. Before I get into the video, I just want to tell you guys about these lashes that I am wearing. They're from a shop called Shop Vivid Rose. This is what they came in, this really cute packaging. It kind of looks like a diamond. These are in the style pink. I did have to trim them down a tiny little bit because I have very tiny eyes apparently. I did not know that. But they reached out to me and asking if I wanted to try out their lashes, and I said yes. I never really try out lashes, so that's kind of just why I said yes, because I never try out lashes, as you guys may know. If you guys want to check out Shop Vivid Rose, there will be a link down in the description box. Use code KDelPercio. I will leave it on the screen and down below as well for 35% off. And if you spend $50, you can get free shipping. So yeah, that's a pretty cool deal. Now on to the tutorial. Alright, so to prime my eyelids, I'm using concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Contour Concealer Kit, something like that. All the names will be linked down below. So I'm just putting this on with my finger first, and then I'm going in with an EcoTools sponge just to blend it out. This is one of those mini sponges from EcoTools. I love them for doing this under my eyebrow. They're great. Next, I'm going in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm using it on camera. And I'm going in with that lime green shade, and I'm popping that in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. I really like this palette, and this is the first tutorial I'm doing where I'm using a whole column. But for this look, I did jump around into another column. But a lot of you guys requested that, so here's my first tutorial doing it. This look requires a lot of blending, fair warning. So next I'm going in with that lime green and the second darkest matte green shade in that green column, and I'm just popping that in the crease as well. Again, blending it to where I wanted it. As I was blending it, I realized that it was really light for like the Grinch vibes that I was trying to go for. So I'm going in with that greeny bluey shade and like that blue column, and popping that in the crease with a pencil brush just to really add some depth, and that shade really helped a lot. And I really layered it in the crease a lot because I really wanted it there. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe M441 brush just to blend everything out. And then with a clean M330 brush, I'm going back in just to really smoke everything out and blend it together. This brush is my absolute favorite for doing that. I've said that so many times, but it's the best. Next, I'm going back in with the concealer, and I'm taking it on a BH eyeshadow brush just to start my cut crease. So basically what I do is I put it in the middle of my eyelid, then I look up, and then I start really blending it out to the inner and outer corners. This is just the easiest way I do cut creases. This is the way I like to do them. It's what works for me. Honestly, my best piece of advice is practice makes perfect with cut creases. It's not something you're going to master overnight. So it just takes a lot of practice, and you will get there eventually, I promise. Now I'm going back in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking that really dark shimmery green shade, and I'm using a wet brush to apply this on my eyelid. I tried my finger at first and it did not work. So wet brush is the way to go for this shade. It looked gorgeous. Now I'm going back in with that blue-green shade and that brush, and I'm just reapplying it to the crease because it did get lost when I was applying the lid shade. Next, I'm going in with this Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome in the shade Electric Emerald, and I'm just doing my winged liner with this. I used this last year actually in a Christmas tutorial as well, and it makes a really great eyeliner. Now I'm going back in with the two greens that I added in the crease, and I'm just running that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going in with a Coastal Scents Express Line eyeliner. It's this really pretty dark green, perfect for this look. Now I'm just going to go in with my mascara. So I curl my eyelashes first, obviously. Then I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous Eye Primer. and then going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then finally, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Max Waterproof Mascara. Everything will be linked down below. So now I'm applying lashes. I know, rare. And these are from Shop Vivid Rose. They are in the style pink. These lashes are gorgeous. I did have to trim them down a little bit. They were really easy to apply. I love them. They really completed this look. If you guys want to check them out, all their info will be linked down below in the description box. And use my code for 35% off. So now I'm just going to go finish the rest of my face off camera. And I'm back. I filmed my foundation routine actually this day. And for lips, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Illuminate Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Paris, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous red. I absolutely love it. It was perfect for this look. Again, made it like that Christmassy Grinch vibes. It was just perfect. And I love the way how this makes my teeth look. It's that perfect red. That makes your teeth look so, so good. And I'm sorry if the sound of my voice, my throat is really dry. But yeah, it's just the perfect red ever. I absolutely love it. And here is the finished look. I am obsessed with this look, and I hope you guys like it too. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. If you want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!